Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I'm just gonna be doing a not traditional Valentine's makeup look because I just want to do something a little bit different and I feel like it. So if you want to see how it turns out or the look, then keep on watching. I just got a pimple right here, so just ignore that. And I don't know, today I just feel like I want to do like kind of like almost anti-Valentine's Day, if you will, because I will be using like a purple and a little bit pink. So I mean, some people see purple as like a sad color or like heartbreaking color, especially when it's like dark color, but I would say it's a different kind of Valentine's look. And obviously I already have my base on and my eyebrows done, and now I will do some bronzing, and I will be using the Fenty Beauty Sun Stalker. My shade is the Caramel Cutie. I will start with my nose, and I'm grabbing an angle brush. This is from Luxie into 07 medium angle shading. I don't know if you guys know, but I'm starting my esthetician class this week, which is probably will be yesterday of today's video. When this video goes up, I will be starting yesterday, and I'm super excited. And I'm so not excited because I have to give up my sleep because I have to wake up and be there by 8:30. And now I'm grabbing ColourPop brush in F21, and I'm just gonna do on the hollow of my cheek. The reason I start the video off with my bronzer because I want to use this bronzer excuse me, to do my eye as well. I want to keep my eyes like simple because I'm gonna be wearing dark purple lipstick. And next thing, I will be priming my eyes with Fenty Beauty Pro Filter Eye Primer. I like this product and it lasts really long time. I don't even know when it's gonna be done. And because I'm lazy, so I'm just using that angle brush to blend that eye primer. And like my entire face, I literally just using one brush to do my whole base, foundation, concealer, and powder. Alright, now it's time for the bronzer, and I will be using the same bronzer to do my eye, and I will use the exact same brush that I blend the eye primer to do my eyeshadow. I will just pat the bronzer into my lid, but on the edge I'm just kind of like swiping, but really gently. I just did the other eye off camera, and now I will be adding some wing into my eye look using the same bronzer and the same brush, and I just gently drag on the tail and outward to create a little wing with the shadow. And I will put on my lower lash line as well, but this time I will be using a smaller brush, and this is from Coastal Scent. And I just want to deepen a little bit on the part near my lash line, and I will be grabbing Nardi palette from Huda Beauty. With the same brush I'm using on my lower lash line, I'm grabbing into shade Nardi. Where is it? Right here. And just deepening up that lash line area. And I haven't done my blush yet, so I will be doing that right now. And I will be using the good old Estee Lauder Pure Color Envy in the shade Poppy Passion. And I'm just gonna use my bronzer brush. I really like this shade. And now time for the highlight, and I will be using the palette I haven't really used for a while, but I really like this palette. And this is from Smashbox Holidays Contour and Spotlight palette. Look at all the color. Oh, I love it. So I will start off with this shade. I forgot what it's called. It's Crank It Up Champs. And I'm using Fenty Beauty highlight brush. This highlight is really blinding, but it's not like exaggerating the texture, so I really like it. And because it's gonna be for Valentine's Day, I want to keep it a little bit to the theme. So now I am gonna use the very tip of this highlight brush and dip into that shade. And I'm just putting that on the very point of my cheekbone. And look at how blinding I am. Next, I'm using a detail brush from Moda Pro, and with the same highlight shade, I'm putting it on the inner corner of my eye to tie things up together, and also on the tip of my brow bone. Next, I will be creating some wing liner with black liner, and I will be using Kat Von D Dagger Tattoo Liner. I finished my eyeliners, and I did put some black liner on the top of my waterline and a nude eyeliner by Mario on my bottom lash line. And now I will do some mascara and put some lashes on. And the lashes I will be using in this video is from Lily Lashes 3D Foam Mink in Crescent. And this is the finished look. And for lipstick, I use Fenty Beauty Stunner Lip Paint in the shade called Undefeated. And this lipstick shade is why I made this tutorial. So what do you guys think of this look? I feel like it's so glam but also very intimidating. I really like it, and this lash is really fluffy. Oh my god, I love these lashes. Let me know in a comment down below what you guys think. What do you guys think of this look? Or what would you guys do for Valentine's Day? And I love you guys so much, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!